Here's a great deal on a 2010 Toyota RAV4. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, heated door mirrors, skid plates, and a split folding rear seat. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.